Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My _238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the weekend vlog. It's Saturday. So I did start the morning off with watching the B-Rolls and then sipping views. So right now I'm just chilling in bed. So it is Memorial Day weekend. So happy Memorial Day to each one of you. So anyway, it's Memorial Day weekend. So I believe we might go to the game tomorrow. The Wichita SkyKings basketball game. I believe we're gonna get it for free. So doors open at 2. So yeah. But anyway, can't believe it. First time getting to the game for free without a ticket. And also it's Fan Fest. So yeah. I don't know if Wichita SkyKings gonna play against, but we'll find out once we get inside. So anyway, happy Saturday and happy Memorial Day weekend.
Please move your tassel from right to left.
Alright guys, so I'm out here playing GTA 5 or GTA Online. So here I played some Max Payne 2. So, funny story. While I was playing GTA Online, I realized that my heart rate is going through the roof. So I don't know what's going on. I have an atrial fibrillation and I don't know what's going to happen. So right now, my mom just takes some blood pressure medication and to make my heart rate go down. And I don't know what's wrong with me. So I took my blood pressure medication to slow down my heart rate, and it is back to the 90s or something. So I just had an atrial fibrillation. So yeah, but good thing I talk over it because I have to avoid copyright. Because even though I love listening to Radio Los Santos, I know it's the best station in Grand Theft Auto games. So yeah. But anyway, I did screen record Quintus TV's side of Sierra's graduation. So probably should put it on YouTube store. I don't know. I'll probably should put it in a vlog. I don't know. But speaking of that, Quintus has a vlog up. So if you guys want to go check that out, you can. Since I took my blood pressure medication, I need to relax, maybe play some GTA Online for a little bit longer, and maybe find another game I wanted to play on my Series X. So I will promise I will continue on with GTA Online. Oh, and by the way, don't forget, I have a vlog that life really does change, including Sierra graduates high school. So go check out that weekend vlog as well. So anyway, GTA Online video will have to wait. And also probably do some GTA Online live stream on YouTube. So yeah, or maybe Twitch. David DeFranco is live on Twitch. He's streaming Tears of the Kingdom while I'm playing GTA 4 on my Series X. So speaking of that, I did hang out with Bryce yesterday, and also Quintus and David DeFranco yesterday. And then tonight I'm hanging out with David DeFranco again. So yeah, pretty awesome. But I know that's on Saturday, so hopefully I will get better before the Wichita SkyKings basketball game. So yeah, besides tomorrow Sunday, and then tomorrow is the Wichita SkyKings basketball game. So yeah, but anyway, we will see you guys tomorrow. So good night. Before I continue, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't want to miss a video. Now on to Sunday for basketball day. Happy Sunday, y'all. So today we're off to the basketball game. So when you're done church, And now we're off to the basketball game for Wichita SkyKings game. And I'm working out this K-State suit because even though I don't have a SkyKings suit, my leggings and also my Crocs, walking out the Apple Watch Series 8. And this cool looking headband from Von Maur. And my glasses, still backup pairs. So we're off to get ready, but first we have to get ready and we're off. And of course, couldn't forget about my queer bag, because even though they only allow queer bags at the arena, so yeah, I'm bringing my queer bag. So we're at the Wichita SkyKings basketball game. We're going against the Little Rock Lightning. So yeah, we're about to go in. We got our free tickets. So yeah, it is free ticket day. It is busy. And it is Fan Fest. Because it's Fan. Yeah, Fan Fest. So anyway, we're about to go in. We're in. We're in. Oh man, what just happened? Fire alarm's going off. Oh man, fire alarm's going off. I can't believe fire alarm's going off.
I know, crazy.
Boy.
For the singing of our national anthem, performed by Wichita's national star, Charlie. Hello, Wichita. It is an honor to be here on this important game. Oh, can you see right on the line?
Oh man. Here we go, the game has started. We are moving on to the second quarter. However, this is the fourth inning quarter to the game. The only four quarters to the game. Here's an update, brother. Lightning 34 and Arkansas Philippine Lightning 18. So yeah, I think we're way in the lead. So I think they're doing good. We'll see. We're in the halftime. We're halftime, man. Alright guys, so I'm stepping out of the arena because we're about to be... What?
They won 105.
Oh, I was talking about the guy from Nashville.
Yep, Charlotte Estes.
Charlie Estes from Nashville.
105
So,
what was the ending score? It's 105 what?
we're in the final quarter now. We're in the final quarter now. But we decided to wait in line before the game ends. So, yeah. But anyway, we're waiting in line to be Charlie from Nashville. Okay, so I've decided I need to get back to the arena and see what they're doing. I believe they're waiting, right, Grandma?
Right.
So yeah, they're waiting. So by the way, we're in the last quarter of this game here. Do you think we're gonna win?
I think we're gonna win.
Yeah, final quarter. Final quarter, Grandma. SkyKings won! Can you believe that, Grandma? SkyKings just won! Yay! They won! Grandma, what do you think?
I think it was a really cool game.
Yeah, we won! We won! Can you believe that?
I believe that. They did good.
Say bye to my mom. Say bye to my mom.
Bye.
SkyKings won! SkyKings won!
Did they win?
Yeah.
What's the score?
140 and
Oh my
80.
goodness, are you serious?
Yeah, they won.
What?
They won.
140 and what?
I think it's 82, I think.
Oh my goodness, they did good.
Yeah,
Yay!
we won. We won.
Yay! I'm excited.
Time to meet Charlie from Nashville. Here he is. About to meet him. Here we go. I just met Charles here. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. He is from Nashville, but it's also from, I don't know. I think it's Outer Banks. I think it's from Outer Banks. This is so awesome. So I swim by Walmart to get some frames back. Look what I just found. There are Hershey Nuggets truffles on that side, and also the almonds one on that other side. So yeah, this is so cool. So I got the truffle one, so that's what I'm getting it for dessert. Ooh, I see beach towels. Looks like they're getting ready for summer. Look at that. School's out. So I found the cheapest frame I can get. They are from Mainstays. So I'm getting two of these for the cheapest one and also Charlie Eston one. So yeah, so I'm getting these. Look what I just saw in the ad while I was watching YouTube. Their kisses were delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my, looks like we're getting to the strawberry season. Strawberry cream pie, wow. So we just got a better one with real fruit on it instead of the traditional pie circle thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have for dessert. So yeah, but anyway, gotta get some milk and see how much of this hop is. Alright, this is how it began. I did find the Mr. Beast bar. So I got myself a Quonda Crunch chocolate. It has no sodium in it. So this is how it began for watching this. I'm trying this Mr. Beast bar. So yeah, I believe that I tried it. There we go. And just like that, I am home. About to watch the new episode of Fear the Walking Dead. I know, I love that show. So, I'm about to watch Fear the Walking Dead. Bam! New episode. Let's go! Fear the Walking Dead. But I know I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up the weekend vlog. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. So before I wrap it up, as I leave the Charles Koch Arena after we meet Charles Eston, I realized that we left the popcorn at the table. So yeah, I'm kind of sad about it. It will cost $7 for the popcorn. So yeah. But also we went to Walmart and got some stuff. And also I got Mr. Beast bar, which I'm gonna try. And also I got McDonald's because I gotta eat it for dinner. I got 10-piece nuggets, half and half, and a cheeseburger. So that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. And also I got pie. So I got strawberry pie because even though it's strawberry season. So yeah. But anyway, it was a great game. Wichita SkyKings game with a fire alarm going off during the player introduction and also national anthem. Oh man, I can't believe it. In the beginning of the game. So yeah, it was crazy. So yeah, this week I'm gonna be participating at the Sundown Parade at the Riverfest. So you guys can see me wave as you are in the sidelights or you attending the Sundown Parade. Just say hi and wave at me. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up the weekend vlog because I gotta eat some McDonald's, get some meds, probably watch Diesel Ducey, and also Travel Ruby's biggest update video, and also Juliet's video of GTA San Andreas. So yeah, it depends. Oh boy, gotta relax my body all day. But this week it's gonna be a lot busier. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's our adventures going to be. And next watching, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.